If HCF of 135x square and 189x cube is 108, then find the value of x. So 135x square and 189x cube. So I need to find HCF. So first I'll write the prime factors of 135. 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 15 and 3 times 5. So here 135 is 3 power 3 into 5 into x square. Now 189, 3 times 6, 3 times 3, 3 times 21, 3 times 7. So it is 3 cube and next into 7 into x cube. Now HCF definition, if you'll see, product of common prime factors, product of common prime factors with the least power, product of common prime factors with the least power. So here common is here 3 cube, 3 cube, 3 cube, and x square, x cube. 5 and 7 we don't have common. 5 and 7 we don't have common. 3 cube, 3 cube. So least is 3 power 3 only. And here x square, x cube. In that the least power is 2. So x square. So 27 x square is the HCF. But it is given HCF is 108. HCF is 108. So 27 x square equals 108. So x square equals 108 by 27. X square equals 4. So x equals root 4. So the value of x is 2. The value of x is plus 2.